Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary and reading program. Today's Hindu editorial title is Scale Up Supplies. The first one is variant. Variant is an organism which belongs to the same species but quite different from the standard organism. Designate, labeling or naming, likelihood, probable, mutation, permanent change in the DNA, antibodies. These are the proteins which are produced by the vertebrate system in response to the foreign antigen. Emphasis, stressing, virulence, ability to cause disease, temper, bad, aggravate, become worst, province, state, imposed, forced, genome. Total DNA content in the given organism is called as genome. PCR test is a diagnostic tool to identify the pathogenic organism by amplifying its DNA. In this test, pathogenic organism presence is quantified by amplification of its DNA. That test is called as a PCR test. Adhere means following, implying means suggestion, maybe. Forthrightness, it's being a honestness. Pale, it's dull. Colossal, great extent, a great number. Consortium means association. So these are the words which are very important, I thought. Hence, I have presented here. Hope this session will help you to understand the today's Hindu editorial. We'll move to the next session. That's a reading session. A new Greek tragedy has risen with the World Health Organization designated Omicron, a SARS-CoV-2 variant, as a variant of concern, while it took WHO several weeks to designate older variant of concern such as alpha, beta, and delta as a voice of variant of concern when they emerged. In the case of Omicron, which was the first confirmed in Botswana, it moved without even waiting for reports on the variant's increased likelihood to cause a disease, whether it is denting the normal public health response. Omicron has now been confirmed in South Africa, Botswana, the UK, Germany, Italy, and travelers into the Netherlands and Israel. It reportedly has over 50 mutations, 32 of which are on the spike protein, which binds to human cells and is the preferred target for vaccines. Several of mutations confer the virus resistance to monoclonal antibodies such as Itzivimab, Bamlanivimab, Kesrivimab, and other combinations. Antibodies are the first line of defense against viral infection, and monoclonal antibodies are used in treatment. However, it is important to emphasize that every single mutation does not independently increase virulence, and a combination of them might sometimes temper and sometimes aggravate virus properties. The virus has been detected in comparable numbers only in South Africa, Gauteng province, but the variant comprises over 90% of the fraction of genomes from those who tested positive there within just 10 days. Some nations have already imposed travel bans on flights from South Africa. Given that Omicron is a variant of the virus that can be detected by PCR test, these countries, rather than imposing a ban, should have taken the more considered step of screening passengers and followed the usual protocols of isolation and treatment. India has done well so far to adhere to the system and observing caution. Detecting a variant in a country does not imply it originated there. Travel bans punish South Africa for its transparency and forthrightness in alerting world to this variant. South Africa's number of daily infection 2,800 2,828 on Friday pales in comparison to daily numbers in the United States, Germany, and Britain. However, a little over 10% in Africa have received one dose of vaccine compared with 64% in North America, 62% in Europe. The panic over the variant shifts blame away from the world's colossal failure in not making more vaccines available in Africa, even as many countries roll out third doses. From day one, the science was clear cut that the pandemic cannot end unless the whole world is protected. India must scale up supplies to COVAX, the international consortium seeking to vaccinate countries with limited access, as well as coax countries with surplus stocks to do so. This is all about vocabulary and reading. Right now, concern is Omicron. It is we have different opinions on that. Yet to know the mutations and their effect on virulence, whether it increases or decreases. Still, we yet to get a confirmation on that. But still, people should follow the non-pharmaceutical interventions and should encourage the other people, the other population to take up the vaccination effectively. So combination of non-pharmaceutical intervention and vaccination can only get away us from this pandemic. Otherwise, we have to suffer for a long time. Thank you all for listening. If at all you like it, just subscribe for regular updates.